This one na drama inside courtyard o. Dem talk say one Catholic priest don go cause wahala for im lover and im pikin. This Catholic priest wey im name na Japhet Kimanza. They talk say this one na Reverend Father. They say this man, im wife, that is the Catholic priest wife, carry am go court say the man dey beat him and im pikin, and in fact the man dey behave like say he no know them. I come dey surprise say since when Catholic priest begin marry, cause this one like this, now the first time where they hear this one, and this thing they happen inside Kenya. My people, I beg, make una watch this video.
There being no other eyewitness with the assent of the court basis finding of guilty and conviction of accused and evidence alone. This case could have been probably been solved if forensic investigations were done and items were the same.
It is reported that the two were in a relationship which led to the siring of their 9-year-old daughter.
Mtoto wangu ni mlemavu, father alituchapa. Mtoto wangu amekuwa mlemavu zaidi, huwa anisaidii, asaidii huyo mtoto, na nilikuwa natarajia haki nipate kwa koti. Lakini alituma msichana anaitwa Rose akakuja akoni boyfriend. Sasa hizo message ndizo zimefuatwa na ndizo zimefanya hii kitu ishindikane. Lakini
Father Japhet Kimanzi, formerly attached at the Kitui Catholic Diocese Kabati Parish, hurriedly left the court premises after a grueling 6-year criminal trial.
Una don hear as this thing be, abi? This lady talk say him and this priest they date. In fact, they love up, they chop their love on their own. No, so as the matter come be, now there this woman come belle full. In fact, the belle come rise so she born this pikin, and right now, this pikin a 9-year-old girl. Now, wow, I never hear for history say Catholic people, Catholic men, they marry wife. If you say na only Kenya, 9 Catholic priests they marry, because I never hear this one reach. But as the thing be safe, where this woman carry this Reverend Father go court. Court come tell and say she no get any concrete evidence. Say evidence no dey to show say this father they follow her, they sleep. I come dey wonder. I beg go this pikin wey dey there nko. She be statue. I bet they don't forget say pikin dey in between these two people. And I see as this woman they cry, talk say the man they beat them, they leave them. Auntie, you no even suppose they cry. Now here they suppose go do paternity test. I be do DNA test for this pikin. Now I come they behave like say I never know wetin dey happen. Say I never understand. But priest I no understand though now. Why person go come sit down come they lie say priest follow her sleep, I be priest give her belly if she know they sure. I'm not sure say any woman go come outside come talk say priest give her belly wey she no sure about them. Because this whole thing where they happen, it can't be like say the Reverend Father, the Catholic people, they try hide everything. Because as they carry this man go court, they say sharp, as court just close. Everybody, all the Catholic people, they don't walk come out from this place. And I sure say they know they try hide something, because we know say Catholic people they always get money. Their churches they get money, so they fit get one kind better lawyer. Be say he won't hide all this thing because of this thing. Making us see corruption on top of pulpits. They do 419 now inside church. And according this Catholic priest, as you know, say your thing no fit gree you. Why you no go marry? They no force you and make you be Reverend Father. As you know, say you like this thing or you get feelings for woman. You for just do your normal husband and wife thing, jeje. Now they're gonna call you Reverend. Which are people who even you stay they look you? And women self and some women in their body. You know say this man a Reverend Father, but you decide say among the whole men waiting for this world, now this Reverend Father he won't follow. Now kasala don boss now you go dey cry they talk say in the beat on. What thing I expect? They go hide them now, because this man now people know and say Reverend Fathers they know they marry. So as you come bring out this matter, come talk say in marry. This one be like slap on top of Catholic people face. It be like slap on top of your own face because now shameful thing it go be for her. But as the this man will carry this man go court, they say they don't give this woman 14 days. Make she take appeal for the ruling. And when they want, what to make this woman day? If not me, I go they happy. As far as I know, say what thing they do, I know they lie, and I know say this father and I get this pikin. You don't even suppose they stress yourself, they bother yourself, say anything happen. Because you know say if you do this test, now there you go show say now this father get her. If like say this woman reasoning, never go that side. She don't even think himself say all this kind of thing it go relate together. Now I make her they cry, they think and say this one and like one kind bad news for them to talk to me she can't appeal for court. In fact, madam, you suppose they appeal this one now means for you. Now means for you to prove say this father do this thing true. Say this father follow you sleep. If they want dismiss this father, may they dismiss anything we don't want to do for him, may they do him. But they hope say they go find justice for this woman. Because all this kind of thing go they hear him say father give this one belly, father We just dey hear am for mouth o. If this woman now no carry this man come out for court, we no go even know say this kind thing na reverend fathers dey do. Say priest o. They go dey use priest dey hide under this their garments. They go dey use am dey cover body. But the thing wey they do, e even bad pass people wey even no be priest. E bad pass their own. My people, this one now see you. I come say make I bring am come. Make una hear wetin reverend fathers they do for Kenya. Make una no be na so every reverend father they do. I be na only this father own. Na so him be. Because if na the end they talk say in wife. I no come dey be like say for there they marry legally. I no understand their own kind of ruling. But my people, as I bring this one, anything wey na feel, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. My people, vigilante don't go bust one old mama or this one a grandmama. They talk say this grandmama they use her 7-year-old daughter. They do sex slave. In fact, this one na first time why they hear this kind of thing. Where your own grandmama go they use you take they do a shower work. They talk say this girl. Now in commerce I talk say the mama just they use her anyhow. Any small thing mama don't carry her, they give her to men. Say make men use her. This girl she talk this thing for Igbo, for people who even hear Igbo and I go understand what this girl they talk. Well, say the grandmama they always carry her gift to men. See person, grandmama, this will not even be your real mama. Your grandmama is supposed they pet you, they take care of you. Now she can't do this kind of thing. My people, I beg, we can now watch the video of how this whole thing take go.
Only use go to only use. Can you want to make be using? Go to show using. Only I'm a chicken. Only I'm a chicken. Brother, no. Huh? But I come again. Every day. Every day. And the maga no grandmother come. Imagine hey, let me see that, madam. My grandmother go over there. Let me hear them. Madam, yeah, you be a Calabar man. You're a Calabar man. What is your name? Miracle. You see what this young girl is saying? How old are you? 7 years old. What do you go? Well, I couldn't wait for now. All this years old, I'm arrested yesterday. This little girl, I did my grandmother, they use their sex slave. What can you say for 1,005? Then this young man came arrest. I was this young man I'm arrest sexually every time.
And I don't see this vigilante where do this video. They talk say this vigilante they're from Ogbaku community for Imo State. Now this one happened. They ask this girl question. Now this girl they talk say that they always sleep with her. Say even this man where name na Mr. Miracle, they talk say this one a Calabar man. Now on top of small picking 7-year-old girl. Now I want to say now this thing now I want go do for this girl. This girl talk say anytime when she go this Mr. Miracle shop, this man they always use her. Now the man ask him say use her in what terms? Now there she come they talk say this man they follow her they sleep. And in grandmama they are aware of all this thing. Say if they finish all this kind of thing, make una guess how much they give they pay this grandmama. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira, that is 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira. What be say somebody go even use take buy recharge card? You don't finish. In fact, that day we use and subscribe. This money don't finish. Now waiting this grandmama they collect, they use her picking, they do slave for men. But she will get her body. Why she no use herself, mama? I beg. What will make you no use your own body till they do this kind of thing? We say now this kind small picking. Some people I know they fear God. You know, so they talk to all this grandmama, some of them now winch. I shall say this mama now she be the leader of all witches for that place. Because for grandmama to the reason this kind of thing for her grand pikin, it means that this grandmama na evil grandmama. In fact, me when I hear this story, I don't even feel believe her because I know this kind of thing would they feel for body. Your grandmama will be say any smart when I know grandmama people they do now. They go they pet you, they go they pamper. Your mama no go even feel beat you for your grandmama place. Now this kind of grandmama where her face don't run like person they don't squeeze. Now there she can't decide say now this kind of thing now she want do for her pikin to take raise money. They can't even ask the girl say, I beg, why your mama? The girl say, Mama, dey Lagos. I beg, mommy, as you know, say you know if you take care of this pikin, why make you born this pikin in the first place? Carry your pikin come up from this grandmama place because this grandmama don't already destroy this girl life. It don't already spoil this pikin life. You born pikin, you know say you no get strength to train the pikin. You know if you no even born am in the first place. If you no born am, carry am, you know say no fit born. Go carry am give a motherless baby so make help you take care of your pikin. Because now this one wey your grandmama dey, I come dey wonder, you sure say no be ashawo work say the mama go dey do for that Lagos? Because if grandmama fit dey tell im pikin to do this, im grand pikin to do this one, I come dey wonder wetin im tell im young pikin to do. That means by the time wey the pikin even dey with us, na on top of the grandmama bed, the mama go dey there dey look them. Na she go dey tell them sex position wey they go dey do. Na she go dey tell them say, oh my pikin, carry one leg put for ceiling fan, put one nyash for this. Na she go dey direct them. Because for grandmama to do this kind of thing, it surprise me. This woman don old. Una see the mama na old woman like this. See this miracle sef with this strong face. You no see anybody, you no get girlfriend wey you wan go use. Na this kind small pikin. Some people say they talk say this one na, I no sure say this one na boy. Na girl she be. Her body just strong, just like this. But this whole matter, the thing dey vex me. I no understand how grandmama go just think of evil things to dey do to their own grandchildren. It means say nowhere dey safe now. The way children things dey happen to children, rape cases dey happen to children. It don dey over. In fact, it don too much. But I dey like the fact say now children don dey come outside dey talk all this kind thing. I like and say, you see as the woman dey even try tell the pikin make the pikin no talk. I like as the pikin get the courage. Because if pikin start to dey come out, we go begin dey cast out all this kind of people wey dey do this kind bad thing. Judgment wey they go give these people sef, I never know. This mama, they suppose even kill her because she know even what, they no even what call her mama. If they call mama, she no even suppose dey among the numbers. My people, things they really happen. If una no see, if una no hear, una no go no see all this kind of thing they happen. Now this one now here, I want to make her bring and comfort, making herself using her ear, using her eye, see what thing they happen within her kodo eye. Anything where una feel, making her not forget to write and for the comment section. Making her not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video.